What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD ZAR and USD CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments. Both of these instruments are giving us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade USD ZAR and USD CAD. Now, first of all, we'll be looking at monthly time frame on USD ZAR. Now, on the monthly perspective, USD ZAR is in a very strong bullish momentum. As you can see, this price is highly bullish. Every month, the price was creating series of higher high and higher low. Now, if you look at this movement on the monthly, we see that quite a few times this instrument has grabbed liquidity here on the monthly from bottom of this previous narrow dodges low, and we have seen this bullish move followed by this shooting star on the monthly, and then we have seen the price grab liquidity from the bottom of this shooting star and created another bullish candle. This month, as soon as market open after little retracement, we have seen a very aggressive bullish move to the upside. If you look at the left, we see that there is no significant resistance, and we can expect USDZAR at least to come back to this level of previous monthly opening and closing resistance. Well, that can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, if you look at weekly, we see that previous week also this is a liquidity grab. It has engulfed this previous weekly doji completely to the downside and to the upside and closed as a healthy bullish engulfer, which also has tested this previous previous resistance zone here as a support, and then rejected to the upside. That's a strong bullish move, and this week we see that the price after little retracement, we see significant movement to the upside, and we can expect this price to slowly continue to the upside. So monthly, weekly, giving us a significant bullish move. Now, daily time frame, what we see that the price was moving along this channel. We have seen a daily 20 period moving average retest and then closed with this bullish engulfer followed by this doji, and every day we see big bullish move followed by previous day we have seen another liquidity grab. So this drop below this daily local level of support zone, breakout of this trend line, is basically tested this previous swing high on the daily time frame, previous resistance zone here as a support, and rejected to the upside. As a result, today we have seen the price is pushing high, which is a high probability bullish momentum to the upside. If you look at intraday time frame for a potential setup, we see that USDZAR basically after consolidation, that's a tiredness in trend. The bulls get exhausted, and we have seen a breakdown. That's a liquidity grab, which is a sign of further continuation of this bullish trend. So when the trend become tired, the bulls tired, we see always this kind of liquidity grab. That's a high probability now that USDZAR will continue to go up in this trending direction. That way we can trade this USDZAR. As you can see, the price, this current candle is strongly bullish, and the price is just below this, above this previous support zone here on the local time frame, on the 4 hour previous support zone here as well as a this support, this both of this support now acting here as a resistance with this narrow candle. What we can expect after closing of this candle, the price to come to this zone to test this previous resistance zone here, neckline of this double bottom formation here as a support, and then to be rejected. Once we will find this kind of price action that we are looking for according to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going long on USDZAR with a high probability to set up with our students. Now let's look at USD CAD. Now, as like USDZAR, USD CAD also strongly bullish. We'll be looking quickly at the higher time frame to see again the general direction in the market. This is the monthly candle that has broken out of this long-term channel. You can see that on the monthly time frame, and we have seen with this long monthly bullish candle, the price has broken to the upside. As you can see in the left side, there is no significant level of resistance that can stop this price. That means that we could potentially see further movement to the upside on USD CAD. So now let's look at weekly time frame. The same way we have seen the past week, there is a liquidity grab with this strong bullish engulfer has broken out of this channel completely. So that as a result, this week we have seen significant bullish move. This is the last day of trading week. What I think that USDCAD after little retracement will continue to go up. Now, daily time frame, this is what we see the previous day, we have seen a doji in this big move. Now, today, as soon as market open after little retracement, now we see another bullish move. So now let's look at intraday time frame to find potential trading opportunity. Now, like the USDZAR, we see that USDCAD has created this kind of pattern. That's a bullish move. We see there's a liquidity grab here as well. That's a sign of further movement of this trend. So where we can find trading opportunity, if we draw a trend line in this local time frame, we can see that USD CAD basically has broken out of this local structure with this candle. Now what I think that we could potentially see a little bit of movement to the downside to test this both of this resistance here on the local time frame, and also support here in this zone as a support, and then we could see a strong rejection to the upside. So this is what we'll be waiting for, a potential bullish setup from this zone on the retest of this previous resistance zone as a support. As soon as we'll find that setup according to the rules of our strategies, will consider going long on USD CAD with a high probability setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.